Subscribe to my channel Making Impossible and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any one of my upcoming videos.
Yo, what's up friends? I'm Shulazari and welcome back to Making Impossible, the channel that teaches you how to make the impossible and be the smartest person in the room. In today's video, I'm not going to teach you anything. Rather than that, I'm actually going to give you information on the giveaway that I'm doing. So I'm giving away this set of invisible stretchable loops. Not this exact same set because some of the loops are damaged in this set. So I'm going to buy you a new set of invisible stretchable loops from Amazon to your doorstep. So that's how I'm going to do this giveaway. Now for those who doesn't know what these invisible stretchable loops are, these are loops that are used for magic tricks. These are pretty much invisible to human eye and they are also stretchable. You can use this to levitate objects and as well as move them without even touching them. So that's the usage of these loops, and if you want to win this, then you have to enter the competition that I'm going to post right now. So here is what you have to do. The first thing that you have to do is you have to like this video and subscribe to this channel. That's the most important thing. The second thing that you have to do is you have to follow me on Instagram at Shoail Hazari and like my Facebook page, my personal Facebook page that is also Shoail Hazari. I'll put a link to my Facebook page in the description box so that you don't go and like any other page by mistake. And the third thing, the last thing that you have to do is comment on this video, why do you want to win this loop, and at the end of the comment add the hashtag Shoail Hazari so that I know that you are participating in the giveaway. Now this date of the giveaway starts from today itself. As soon as this video gets posted, that means today on 22nd April this giveaway starts, and it is going to end on the date when I get 300k subscribers. Now I have 273k subscribers, which means I need more 27k subscribers for this giveaway. So at this point you might ask that you're going to get 27k subscribers and you're going to just give only one set of loop. No, I'm not giving away only one set of loop. There is a condition. If I get 27k subscribers within 1 month, that is starting from today, if I get 27k subscribers, that means if I complete my 300k goal before or maybe on 22nd May starting from today, that means 1 month from today, I'm going to give 3 sets of loops. There will be 3 winners and each of them is going to get 1 set of loop. If the time crosses and then I get the 300k subscribers, I'm just going to give away only 1 set of loops, that is just only one. So that's how this giveaway will be taking place, and the winners that will be chosen at a random. So if you are lucky, you are going to get this set of loop. If you're not, then just wait for my next giveaway. So that's it for the video. That's all the information I needed to give you, and just a little bit of self-promotion. I have a second channel in my name, Shoail Hazari, and I post funny videos over there, funny vines over there, and as well as right now I'm posting PUBG gameplays. Right now I'm posting different gameplays of PUBG Mobile, sorry, and some of these gameplays are really awesome. So if you want to check them out, you can go and check them out and subscribe to that channel as well. And that's it for today's video. Hopefully I'll get 300k subscribers within 1 month starting from today, and best of luck for all of you guys because you need the luck, because everything is going to happen at random. So that's it for the video, and peace.